Are you tired of cluttered shelves filled with expensive skincare products? What if I told you that you could simplify your routine and save a significant amount of money? The answer lies in the power of essential oils. Let's dive into how these natural wonders can replace your entire skincare cabinet, saving you thousands of dollars in the process. First, let's talk about cleansing. Instead of harsh, chemical-laden cleansers, consider tea tree oil. Known for its antibacterial properties, tea tree oil effectively combats acne and blemishes. Simply add a few drops to your favorite carrier oil, like jojoba or sweet almond oil, and gently massage onto your face. Rinse with warm water, and you're good to go. This one simple oil can replace multiple cleansers and acne treatments. Next, moisturizers. Many commercial moisturizers are packed with synthetic ingredients. Instead, reach for rosehip oil. Rich in vitamins and fatty acids, rosehip oil deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. It also helps reduce the appearance of scars and fine lines. A few drops applied to your face and neck after cleansing will provide all-day moisture. This eliminates the need for expensive creams and lotions. Now, let's discuss anti-aging. Frankincense oil is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting wrinkles and promoting skin elasticity. Its regenerative properties help slow down the aging process. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and apply it to areas of concern, such as around the eyes and mouth. Regular use of frankincense oil can replace serums, anti-aging creams, and eye treatments. What about toners? Witch hazel, a natural astringent, is often used in toners. But you can skip the extra step and opt for lavender oil. Lavender oil is not only soothing but also helps balance the skin's natural oils and reduce inflammation. Add a few drops to a cotton pad and gently swipe across your face after cleansing. This one versatile oil can replace multiple toner products. Let's not forget about exfoliation. Instead of abrasive scrubs, consider using a gentle exfoliating oil like jojoba oil. It helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. Mix a few drops with a bit of sugar and gently massage onto your face in circular motions. This eliminates the need for expensive scrubs. Finally, sunscreen is essential. While essential oils alone can't replace sunscreen, some offer natural sun protection. Carrot seed oil, for example, has some natural SPF properties. However, it's crucial to remember that it's not a complete replacement for broad-spectrum sunscreen. Always use a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. By incorporating essential oils into your routine, you can streamline your skincare, save money, and embrace a more natural approach. The key is to start with a few essential oils, experiment with different combinations, and discover what works best for your skin. Say goodbye to cluttered shelves and hello to radiant, healthy skin.